Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Want to make this fantastic custard chocolate cake? All you need is 250 grams of chocolate cake mix, 3 eggs, 30 milliliters of oil, 50 milliliters of milk whisked together in a mixing bowl. Pop that into a lined cake tin. Tap to spread and bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. In a pot, add 30 grams of corn flour, 200 grams of sugar, give it a mix and then add 200 milliliters of milk, 3 egg yolks and mix together. Turn up the heat and keep stirring until the mixture has thickened. Then turn the heat off, add 20 grams of butter and 10 grams of melted gelatin. Mix that all together and your custard is ready to pour on top of your chocolate cake. Smooth it out and refrigerate for 2 hours. Once set, you can slice it. Now we have 4 rectangular cakes. Time to pour the melted chocolate on top. Let those chill. And meanwhile, in a mixing bowl, add 250 milliliters of whipping cream and 20 grams of chocolate powder. Whisk those together until thickened. Pop that in a piping bag and pipe on to decorate your chocolate custard cakes. Adding a gold leaf for a finishing touch. And there you have it, custard chocolate cake. Delicious perfection. Enjoy your custard chocolate cake. Yum!